Hello and welcome. I'd like to show you how to get your embroidery floss off of here and onto one of these, onto your bobbin. So you'll just need a mug and your floss and one of these bobbins. You can get these, the paper or the plastic version, at Michael's or Joann's or online. And then there's also a lot of really cute ones, a lot of really cute wooden ones on Etsy. So whatever you choose. And then the biggest tip that I've learned over the last couple of years, which has really helped me because this used to feel like a bit of a daunting task and now I actually kind of enjoy it, is to prep the thread before you even take it out of the paper. The biggest thing is that you're going to want to note which end is underneath this wider paper. So I like to take that off first and find the end that's under that wide paper before I take off the other paper. And then as I'm taking off that other paper, I just like to make sure that things are untangled so that you're starting off in a good place. And so that's the end that was under the widest paper. So then noting that and just kind of continuing to note that, you'll want to just make sure this is a nice circle. And you'll just pop your mug inside the circle like that and just make sure it's not tangled underneath the bottom at all so that it doesn't catch. That's what makes this flow really smoothly. You'll take that end and you'll just wind it around your bobbin. And that's about it. You'll see as you go that because you took the time to make sure that you were using the right string and because you're using this mug in this way, that you won't end up with any tangles. So happy winding and happy stitching. Take care.